Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material features, then go for the remove material features. Then only if you modify any dimension in the steps, it will not fail. Now, after modeling this component in NX, the component will look like this. This is the component we are going to model it in the NX. These are the steps I have followed to create this component. Now we'll learn how to create this model step by step. First go to the file, new, choose model. Our units are in millimeter, so make sure you are in the millimeter. Specify the file name, specify the location, just say OK. This is our model. Now we are going to model this one. First go to the sketch. I'm going to take a front plane. Just take the front plane. Just say OK. Here first I'm going to draw a cube with a length of 70 and a height of 19 plus 26. Just take a rectangle. Just put the rectangle. Now specify this dimension is 70. Do you want to scale the entire sketch? Yes. Press the roller to confirm. Now this height we specify it as 19 plus 26. 19 plus 26. Just press enter. Say no. Now this sketch is not fully defined. That is because of we are not made symmetric. Just click this point. Click this point. Click this axis. This will work. Just say OK. Similarly do here also. Just click this point. Click this point. Click this axis. Just click it here. Just say OK. Now here you can see sketch is fully defined. Just finish the sketch. Extrude. Here total extrusion length is, here you can see 10 plus 32 plus 10. Symmetric value. Here just enter 10 plus 32 plus 10. Just enter it. The value will come here. Just say OK. Just hide this sketch one. Now we have created this cube. Then we'll do the remove material features one by one. First we'll remove material here. Just go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Just say OK. Now take a circle. Just put a circle randomly. Specify this diameter as for 80. Here they have given radius. Now the diameter is 80. Scale to the entire sketch. Yes. Make sure you are in the OK. Now just entire assembly. Now just specify the dimension from this edge to now just specify the dimension. Just move it like this. From here to here the distance is 10 mm. Similarly from here to here the distance is 10 mm. Now here you can see the sketch is fully defined. Just finish the sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Automatically it is taken as a subtract. Now specify the length of extrusion is 35. Just say OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created this cut. Then we'll create this cut. For that, just go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. Now we start with the rectangle. Take a rectangle. This origin point. Just put one rectangle. Press the roller to confirm. Now specify this dimension as 10 mm width and total length. Just specify only this one. This one is a 10. Then take a circle. Or you take an arc. Center and ends. Center point. This one is the end point. Another end point. Now just specify the radius of this arc. The radius is 32 divided by 2. No. This is 16. Now remove the unwanted edges. Trim. Just click this one. Just close it. Now here you can see it is still the sketch is partially defined. That is because we have removed here. We need to define the center of the circle from here to here. That is 26. Similarly, from here to this distance, that is 10. Now see, the sketch is fully defined. Finish the sketch. Extrude. Just change the direction. Total length of extrusion is 26. Just say OK. Now add the sketch. Then we just want to add this feature. For that, go to sketch. Select this front plane. Just say OK. Now the orientation is not good. For that, just finish the sketch. Just delete this one. Now just go to the sketch again. Now see which one you want to take. Front plane. Just place it here, front plane. Make sure the red color arrow is right side to you. The same view only you will get. This one is nothing but x-axis. You will get the x-axis orientation. Just say OK. The same view. This is the view we wanted. Now just create a sketch here. Just take a line. Make sure you are in the entire assembly. Then only you can able to take a points. From this point. Here. Press the roller to confirm. From this point. Just here. Just connect with this end point. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now just define the dimension, which is 17. Just click this one. This dimension is 17. Press the roller to confirm. And this distance is 5. This one is 5. Press enter. Now sketch is not completely closed. This is an open sketch. If you are getting a closed sketch means you will be seeing the solid color. Now see, the solid color indicates that this is a closed sketch. Just finish this sketch. Go to extrude. Make it symmetric value. The total extrusion length is 20. Just enter it. Just say OK. Now sketch is done. Just hide all the sketch. This is our final object. Just go here. Orient view. Isometric. In that we have completed this tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For next tutorial, we will come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.